Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we've got the Hoover WindTunnel all-terrain dual brush roll bagless vacuum cleaner on the docket. A corded upright designed for homes that demand powerful, versatile cleaning. This vacuum offers a lot of promises, from advanced filtration to dual brush rolls that work together for maximum debris pickup. But how well does it really perform in the real world? Let's take a closer look. The Hoover WindTunnel All-Terrain is a heavy-duty upright vacuum with a lot going for it in terms of raw cleaning power. The standout feature is its dual brush rolls, which combine to pick up both fine dust and larger debris, making it a solid choice for homes with multiple floor types. Whether you're dealing with hardwood, carpets, or rugs, this vacuum is engineered to handle it all with ease. The dual brush rolls work in unison to ensure that no matter the size of the debris, it gets sucked up efficiently. That's a huge plus for homes that see everything from crumbs to pet hair scattered around. A big concern for many buyers is how well vacuums transition across different types of floors. Thankfully, the Hoover WindTunnel has been optimized for this with its swivel steering, making it incredibly maneuverable. No more awkwardly trying to steer a bulky vacuum around furniture. This one glides with ease, even under tables and chairs, cutting down on the time you spend cleaning. And if you've ever been frustrated by those tight spaces in your home, you'll appreciate how this vacuum handles them. It's built to easily get into tricky corners and beneath furniture, saving you effort without compromising on performance. One of the critical features for people with allergies or asthma is filtration, and the Hoover WindTunnel doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a HEPA media filter, which is perfect for trapping dust, dirt, and pollen particles that are often too small for regular vacuums to catch. If you're prone to allergies, this is a welcome feature that helps ensure the air in your home stays cleaner while you vacuum. The direct suction design also ensures that the power is more focused, meaning less suction loss as you go about your cleaning. That direct suction, combined with the dual brush rolls, works wonders on picking up stubborn dirt and debris, making the job quicker and more thorough. Now, let's talk about those real-world testing scenarios. When it comes to fine dust, the Hoover WindTunnel's suction is solid, pulling up even the smallest particles from hardwood floors and tile without much trouble. On carpets and rugs, it performs well too, grabbing everything from pet hair to dirt without getting bogged down. But on thicker carpets, you might find that the vacuum's performance diminishes slightly as it struggles to really get deep into the pile. Still, for most common home environments, it does a great job. In terms of the vacuum's weight and ease of use, it's a bit on the heavier side, so long cleaning sessions might feel tiring for some. However, the swivel steering makes it easier to handle, even though it does require a bit more strength to push around than lighter models. The included removable wand is a nice touch for targeting upholstery, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas. When it comes to pet hair, the brush rolls do a good job of grabbing fur, but if your pets shed a lot, you might need to empty the dirt cup a bit more frequently. Speaking of which, the dirt cup is designed for easy emptying, so you won't be dealing with a messy cleanup after you finish. Another thing to consider is the noise level. The Hoover WindTunnel is definitely louder than some newer models, especially when running at full power. If you've got sensitive ears or young kids, this could be something to keep in mind. However, the cleaning power you get in return is a fair trade-off for most users. As far as value for money goes, this vacuum holds its ground in the mid-range price bracket. It's not the cheapest option out there, but for the performance and versatility you get, it's definitely worth the investment. When you consider how well it picks up debris from all kinds of surfaces, coupled with the HEPA filter, this vacuum brings a lot to the table. But how does it compare to other models at this price? In terms of competition, if you're considering other corded uprights or even similar priced cordless models, you'll find a few key differences. For example, a similar competitor like the Shark Navigator Liftaway offers comparable suction power, but might be a little easier to maneuver due to its lighter weight. On the other hand, if you're comparing this to a cordless model, like the Dyson V11, you'll notice a difference in runtime. The Dyson can give you longer use on a single charge, but it comes at a higher price point. In terms of value, the Hoover is competitive for those who prefer a corded model with serious suction power and a solid filtration system. When we look at the build quality, the Hoover WindTunnel feels pretty solid. The plastic used doesn't feel flimsy, and the joints and connections are fairly sturdy, though the vacuum could definitely benefit from a more premium feel. Long term, it should hold up well with proper maintenance. Regular filter cleaning, clearing blockages, and taking care of the brush rolls will keep it working efficiently. It's also relatively low maintenance compared to some other models that require more frequent attention to detail, like changing bags or worrying about battery lifespan. While Hoover's customer support reputation has generally been positive, we didn't run into any major issues with this specific model. The brand is known for reliable products, and the vacuum's warranty is solid enough to give peace of mind in case anything goes wrong. It's also worth noting that Hoover has a long history of making easy-to-use, effective products, so most users can expect a decent experience. In the end, the Hoover WindTunnel All-Terrain Dual Brush Roll Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for those looking for a powerful, versatile vacuum that can handle multiple floor types. It offers a good balance between price, performance, and filtration, making it ideal for medium to large homes, especially those with pets or allergy sufferers. It's not the quietest vacuum, nor the lightest, but it offers great value for those who prioritize cleaning power and ease of use. If you're looking for a vacuum that gets the job done without overcomplicating things, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested, you can find the product link in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our reviews. If you already own this vacuum or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your house even cleaner.